Controller How to Restore Factory Settings Operation Tutorial. Disconnect the power supply from the controller first. In the power off state, press and hold the menu button, and then connect the power. Enter the settings screen of the controller website and press the menu button several times to enter the next screen. Click down, click Menu, and wait for the controller to recover. The default IP address of the restored controller is 2.0.0.15. The IC starts with space 1 and is CL05. By default, each port has space 4. The color channel is GRB. All controllers are restored to factory settings using this method. Stay tuned, the video will be updated continuously.